welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we're going to make cookies, and today I'm going to teach Livia how to make cookies. She's laughing, so don't mind her. Okay, we're going to make the cookies out of this. We just bought it from supermarket. You can find it everywhere from supermarket, okay? Okay, don't laugh. Be serious, please. Okay, we just cut this to open it, and we will just pour it out down on the bowl. You need a huge bowl. Wow, there's chocolate on it, yeah?
Ow, I'm gonna eat it.
Okay.
Fortnite back.
This is half cup already, so you have to mix it together with this. And here we have to mix it. Okay. Then the next is 1 egg. Yeah? Is it 1 egg?
I want to
Is
do
it 1 egg?
Yeah, of course. You know, I don't even know. I don't care.
I'm just asking you guys because you have to learn this one, yeah? Okay.
No.
So we have to mix it.
I want to mix it.
Okay. Then mix it.
I won't
together.
mix it.
Okay,
I can't
you
mix
can
it
mix it.
anymore. I can do it.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay, let me mix, then we can do it together later. We can make together, okay? Yeah, you have to mix properly
Why the egg? We're not going to
Until-
eat the egg, y'all.
until the butter will mix together and the egg and this powder and chocolate. This is really yummy, yeah?
No.
Do you think so? It's not yummy?
No. Yeah, because I smell the butter and
The next thing you have to do is you have to put the non-stick paper. Another one, please.
You go there and put this one.
Kaway
What
naman dyan.
again?
Be, kaway naman dyan.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, good.
And next.
Great. Okay.
Livia.
Next, you have to do that one, the
The
cookies.
steering?
No.
Okay.
You follow
make a
Auntie Laura.
bowl. You make a ball.
I want to eat
Ball.
it. A bowl? Yeah. Okay.
I think this is too
Gusto mo
big.
ba ng kape?
Huwag na. Tapos na ako pa rin.
This, I made a tree, but
That's too big.
this
make
is
it
way.
bigger.
Wait! I wish that is so big.
This one, she.
But I didn't mean it.
Why? Don't eat. It's not cooked yet.
Yeah, really delicious.
Delicious? Okay, I think there's 2 more. Maybe it's more delicious when it's cooked though.
So
Agree?
No.
Disagree?
Yeah, this is ugly.
Why?
Oh, I see later if you eat or no.
I already eat.
No, when that one is finished, it's cooked already.
Okay, you
and
go,
then-
you go to wash your hand. It's finished.
Ah,
We have to put it on the oven now. Okay. Say yay! Yay! You ruined my cookies, you know? Okay. Okay na siguro yan. Makaka-survive naman na siguro. Okay.
I don't want to put it. You put it. The ugly one.
The ugly one.
There's a bunch of ugly ones though.
it yummy? Yummy? Yummy, right?
Yeah.
Put inside the container.
Okay.
You count. 3, 4,
5, 6,
6,
7,
7, 8,
8, 9, 10,
11.
11.
How much you eat already?
11.
How much you eat already?